Hello in my factory. This is piece of bucket, and this is a bore that is very worn. Here you can see how much it is worn, and some ways how I can fix it is, one way is by horizontal boring machine. Turns the bore larger and set a repair bush. Another way is by welding. Weld right here first, and then around all of the surface. This side surface is good, but if weld right here, then should be welding right here. And I think I will repair it by welding's way. I weld, because this material is middle steel, and it will be good for welding, and then it will be easy to machine by cutting tools. Here was some sharp edges, but I remove by this. Thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.